So now I want to talk to you about the roles and responsibilities of health professions. And why is this interprofessional information so critical and being a good team player so critical? And that's because in quality and safety, problems are really interprofessional in origin. And we know that about 70% of medical errors are due to poor teamwork and poor communication. And we also know that teams that are high functioning, who live by these principles that we've been going over, have been shown to have better success in their quality improvement projects. And this grid helps us to understand some of our differences in some of the key values of the different professionals. And as you read across it, you can look at your profession and see if it resonates with you, those values. Or you can maybe look at the grid and try to understand the possible value differences in other professionals. Physicians are often seen to value competence and scientific knowledge. Nurses are often seen to value integrity and working with the compassion, respect, and dignity of all, including the family and the community. Pharmacists value the obligation to improve their professional knowledge and competence, and the healthcare administrator has values of fiduciary duty and efficiency and effectiveness. So as you reflect on that table, you are able to give some substance then to try to understand how and why then working with different disciplines feels a little bit different. Another piece to consider is their education. So for every profession, we all have different ways we get there. So for physicians, the medical education is 4 years of undergrad, then 4 years of medical school. And then the pathway for nurses could be very varied. Nurses can get their degree after 2 years of education or 4 years. And then there's many different kinds of graduate education in nursing. Same thing with pharmacy school, 4 years of undergraduate work and then years of pharmacy school, and in health professions education. So these educational differences can vary across different countries, but it is important then when you're working as a team to understand the differences in education and really to appreciate that expertise that professional is bringing to the table.